Today we replaced the rear wiper on the 2015 Chevy Equinox. For Equinox 2010 to 2017 you need a 13-inch blade. For more details or to order one, look for the link in the description. First thing is to remove the plastic cover that protects the wiper. Place the finger under the top and bottom of the right side and stretch the plastic out and pull it up gently. You may need to wiggle some to pull it off. Once unclipped, slide the cover to the left about a ½ inch and gently lift it. There's the hook that hooks into the wiper bracket, and here's the clip that holds the back onto the bracket. To take the wiper off, lift the arm and swivel the wiper up from the front and look for the plastic lever between the blade and the arm. Use a flat screwdriver to lift it and slide the wiper to the right to unhook it. Carefully not to slam the spring-loaded arm into the glass not to damage it. Hold the new blade from the metal. Place the hook in front of the plastic bracket on the wiper and slide to the right until you hear the click. Then take the cover and place the hook inside the wiper slot first, then slide it to the right and press it into the metal as you spread the sides. If it's not clipped all the way, you will notice the cover on the other side hitting the glass, so make sure it's all the way down. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.